Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to find good selling products for eBay. If you are trying to sell eBay, there's a tool called Terapeak. Nowadays attached with the eBay store. It's the second plan, I guess. There's a basic plan and the second plan contains Terapeak. Here I'm going to show you how to use that to find the best product to sell on eBay. Now first of all, you have to search what you are looking for. It's depends on a niche. Here I'm interested in selling all the phone related products. I already have a bunch of them, and the next thing I'm interested in is the Bluetooth earbuds, AirPods. Also, you can search for it. Now I'm gonna just type wireless, and I found out this is the one showing up first. So I decided to search because eBay has a built-in thing that actually shows the thing that is most searched for first. So you can just type something and eBay actually generate the keywords for you to search. Now here it shows this one the first, and this one has 1723 of this sold already. Now let's take a look at this. Okay, if I click this one and see, you can see this guy is having a really good time. Like April 12 he sold this much, April 11 he sold this much, 10, 9, 8 and stuff like that. And he has like daily view of like 1896 views per day for this product. It means this is a really good product if you start selling it. So now in order to confirm this one, I'm going to just type the same keyword and I'm going to go to the Terapeak. Here Terapeak, and I put this keyword, and here I'm going to search new product because this is usually new, because mostly this is they imported from Alibaba and selling it. So this one new and fixed price, also best offer accepted. Now I'm gonna look for 30 days, but I'm just looking for it in .com. I'm gonna change it to CA, ebay.ca. That's the one I'm interested in. That's Canada. And search for it. Now in Canada nobody is actually selling this product, so it's good I don't have competition for this product. Now if I search for ebay.com and search for it, this is the product. Like this guy made like within 30 days $27,184 within 30 days, and most probably like 10,000 would be the price he spent for the product, but 17,000 profit, So you can see that's a really good product. And this sell-through rate is 37.8%. This is the one you have to be careful about. Maybe I put some extra words that goes to this, because it's good if you have the product that is more than 40%. So if I just put Bluetooth earbuds, it's 41.36%. So it means this is a good fair product, because whenever you're selling, this is the important number you have to look at. If it's above 40%, it's good. If it's below 40%, you have to consider buying it, because above 40% mean it's gonna sell most probably. But if it's below 40%, you have to be you have to have some you have to do some research to see whether you really want to buy this product. So since this is above 40, this is okay product, and I'm going to go to Alibaba and search the exact same product, Bluetooth earbuds. Now this one, if I put earbuds, it's already showing it here, and I have to make sure it's exactly the same product I'm interested in. This is like oval shape, and this one is like not exactly oval. And also whenever you're looking for a product, make sure the buyer you're buying from is at least 5 years in the business, because usually Alibaba bans the people if they have do something wrong. Like, so you have to see at least they managed to stay in Alibaba for 5 years. I mean, he's a good seller, so you can just buy it from him. And then here I'm seeing this guy has 8 years and it's almost look like the product I'm interested in. And this stuff like selling it for what price? 5.5 price, $5.5. So it's like the exact same product. So you can see that guy like selling it for like 19 something dollar, and this is actually cost $5.5. So like $14 profit in he's getting from this product. So this is a really good product. And then you have to manage to buy from this guy. Like you can search for, shop around for in Alibaba for a bunch of guys, but this is the product we are interested in, and it's here. You can order them and sell them, and that's how you find a good selling product using Terapeak. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.